Hello YouTube, this is Mila and you're watching How to with Malaysians. Hello YouTube and welcome back on today's series of my Halloween Skeleton Home Decor. I'm doing 3 projects with you guys and I absolutely love how every single 3 turned out. One was really simple and easy. I took I ordered from Amazon 3 skeleton iron-ons, and I just put 2 of them on my throw pillows on my sofa. That was my first project. The second project was really interesting because my husband went and, since he saw my obsession with skeletons this year, he went ahead and bought 3 skeletons from the not the Dollar Tree. Everything else is from the Dollar Tree except that one particular skeleton, which is about 3 feet tall, and he got him at Home Depot. I decided, okay, since I'm sticking to this Renaissance theme with my skeletons by the bar, I'm gonna go ahead and dress them up. And it looked a lot more complicated than it really was. I don't know how to sew, so I pretty much glued everything onto the skeleton. Hopefully you like it. I think it came out pretty neat. I didn't know what I was gonna do at first, but then as I started adding the pieces, it kind of fell into place. And I was really happy with the end results, and I hope you are too. So on my very last and third project, I took a DollarTree Skeleton and a DollarTree floral pot, and I pretty much just painted the pot in white, added some legs to it with some wooden beads, 2 different sizes. I spray painted those silver, and just added my skeleton inside his new bathtub and put some cobwebs so it looks like actual bubbles, but in a scary way because it's cobwebs. And then I added the clear Christmas ornaments to make it look like bubbles. And then I scattered the spiders that came with the spider web into the mix, and it came out pretty fabulous. I was really happy with and content with everything that I did. I hope you are too. If you decide to try for yourself, please tag me on my social media. I'm on Facebook and Instagram, and that would be How to with Malaysians. And if you are keeping up with me on my blog, I do post every Friday. My website is www.howtowithmalaysians.org. I would love for you to shoot up over there because you can also see my videos there. I do have a store where everything I use is in the store, so everything is in one place. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you love it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that way you know every time I post up a new video. I promise I will keep to schedule. I'm trying my very best. It may not always work out as I planned, but you know, I'm still new at this. So thank you guys. Love you. Bye.